Hey guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Behind me is the 2019 Toyota Hilux N80, and we've had it at the Gold Coast shop for a few days doing a lot of work to it. We're now going to finish it off with a custom dyno tune, taking into consideration the modifications and what the vehicle's been used for. Before I show you the rest of the rig, don't forget, quickly subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel. We've fitted one of our Ultimate Torque package to this Hilux, which are seriously fantastic and achieve huge gains in power and torque once tuned, while still remaining the factory fuel system and fully operational factory DPF. I'm really looking forward to showing you the results we'll get in power and torque from this one once it's been tuned. But before we do that, I want to show you what's actually in one of our Ultimate Torque packages. These comprise of an Ultimate Diesel Tuning high flow branded turbocharger, PWR intercooler, DPF back exhaust system, HBD oil catch can, a soot clean if required, and finishing off with a custom dyno tune to suit all the modifications. All of these parts have their advantages. The upgrade turbochargers for the big torque gains once tuned. The Ultimate Diesel Tuning high flow turbochargers have been developed to ensure the reliability for the N80 Hilux. The factory turbo just doesn't come up to standard, as it does have a bit of a weak shaft in them, and the boost just can't be really adjusted high enough to get the extra gains in torque that we achieve through the Ultimate Diesel Tuning turbochargers. Customers are not just after the power and torque, they want reliability, and that's exactly what the Ultimate Diesel Tuning high flow turbocharge delivers for our customers. All the other parts have their advantages too. The upgraded DPF back exhaust system improves exhaust flow and lowers the exhaust gas temperatures. The bigger intercooler will help with the efficiency of the engine, so help keep the power and torque more sustainable across the rev range. The engine oil catch can catches the oily vapours caused from excessive crankcase ventilation, instead of sending the vapours back through the engine, which contributes to the notorious diesel engine soot issues. So now that all the parts have been fitted to the N80 Hilux, it's time to back it into the dyno and start custom dyno tuning it. This Hilux is used for a bit of everything. It's driven as a daily driver, it also goes on the tracks and hits the beach, and also tows a jet ski as well. The owner just wants to take the performance of it right up to the next level. So substantially more power and torque, a lot better engine response, a lot less turbo lag. He wants to drive out of here with a completely different Hilux to what it was like when it was standard. So with the tune, we're going to be concentrating on achieving all of this for him, as well as taking into consideration what the vehicle's being used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying mechanical issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. We've now finished the Ultimate Torque package on the N80 Hilux because we just finished off doing the custom dyno tune. Let's take a look at the results. When the Hilux came in, we ran it on the dyno and had 87 kilowatts of power and 312 Newton meters of torque. Now remembering, this car does have 34-inch tyres on it as well. After we completed all the modifications to the vehicle and the custom dyno tune, it went to 127 kilowatts and 467 Newton meters of torque. This was an increase of 47% in peak power and 50% in torque. When driving a diesel, the torque down low is what you chase. And you can see down here, around 2,000 RPMs, this car is going to be a different vehicle. Well guys, that's another Ultimate Torque package out the door. This time it's on an N80 Hilux. Won't the owner notice a massive difference on this with its 34-inch tyres and over 50% gain in torque. So if you're looking to improve the performance of your diesel vehicle, give one of our diesel experts a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all the way around Australia as well. And make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.